This is the railroad cafeteria area when it was in existence back then too. So this was their cafe, and you could sit and eat. I just bought a burger from them. I'm gonna sit and wait for my spouse to come. B&O Railroad Cafe, y'all. Happy birthday, B&O. Look, they celebrating it back then. I think this way the kids play. Yeah, kids play. We're gonna head back to the cafe. So they did make my burger. It's a cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, y'all, at the B&O Railroad train station. Girl, Nimmy got game on YouTube. Best burger ever, y'all. B&O Railroad. It's their cafe. Just got a bacon cheeseburger from them. Look at this, y'all. It is delicious. Got some kind of honey on it. Great. I'm liking it. Pretty big. Love y'all. And we got that on YouTube.